Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit that like button and turn on your post notifications because you don't want to miss another video from me. Today, I'm going to be having 3 items up here, and then I have my Alexa with me, and I'm going to be saying, Alexa, pick a random number between 1 and 3.
Your random number between 1 and 3 is 3.
I knew that. So, we're just going to have different items up here. But my activator is just going to be the same because, yeah. So, let's get started. First round will be with glue. And I have this big bucket here. So, the first round consists of some clear glue, which will be 1. Then this glue, which is like, it's metallic glue, and it's green, and then the gown. Now, this I've already used, so that's why I'm like having it like this, so that all of it can get down. So there's not even half of it, so I'll have a very tiny slime. If I get this, I'll get a bottle. If I get this, I can get however much I want. So yeah, let's see which one I'll get. Okay, Alexa, let's put it on here so that you guys can see the options. I'm just going to hold this. Alexa, pick a random number between 1 and 3.
Your random number between 1 and 3 is 1.
I get clear glue! Yes! Don't ask why I wanted that. Okay. So I get to pour this whole bottle of clear glue in. Okay. Ooh. Here it is. It doesn't even fill up the bottom. It's almost all out. Okay. Like all out. Okay. So let's go to the next round. Round 2. Round 2 is like what lotion, or they're all lotion. This is hand cream, but so this is 1, 2, 3. I kind of want this one. Alexa, pick a random number between 1 and 3.
Your random number between 1 and 3 is 3.
Oh, yes! Why do I keep on getting what I want? I don't know. Haven't opened this yet. I don't know how much I should put in. I mean, like, I didn't put that much in. Maybe I did. But you know. Okay. Next round. Round 3 in 3, 2. Round 3 is what add-in I put in my slime. So these are jelly cubes, and they're shaped as hearts, and they're pink. So this is 1, 2, 3. So I also have some foam beads. There's white ones that are smaller, and there's white ones that are bigger, and then there's the colored ones that are bigger too. And then I have some shaving cream. Which one do I want? I don't know. I don't want the shaving cream because then I won't let it be clear. So I kind of want one of these. Alexa, pick a random number between 1 and 3.
Your random number between 1 and 3 is 2.
Okay. Didn't exactly want these, but I'm just going to put the whole thing in. Here's my slime. Kind of looks like a party right now. So yeah. Next to round 4, I think it is. So let's go. Okay, this is round 4, and I have this round. It's food coloring, so I have this pink one. That would be 1. Blue one, which is 2, and this one that is green, and it would be 3. Which one do I want? The pink. The pink. I really want the pink because it's like almost my favorite color. So yeah, Alexa, pick a random number between 1 and 3.
Your random number between 1 and 3 is 1.
Okay. So now let's go to round 5. Because, yeah. Round 5, I think. Maybe 6. I don't know. But it's more colors, which would really mess my slime up. Because if I get green, that'll make brown. I don't want brown. So purple would make magenta. And then orange would make, just kind of make a peach color, and then green. Okay, so I want purple, but yeah. So 1, 2, 3. Alexa, pick a random number between 1 and 3.
Your random number between 1 and 3 is 2.
Oh, okay. Oh. Ow. Got paint on me. I don't know how much to put in. Okay. So my bowl is looking like this. I really want to mix. And now it smells like paint in here. That's nice. So now to round 6 or 7. I don't know which one. Now for round 6 or 7. I don't know which one. We have these orange, reddish little flakes. And then we have... It's all over me. Well, that's nice. I'm scooping it into my hand. More. Okay, we have gold, which is 2, and then we have this pink one, which is 3. Which one do I want? You know, this one, or this one. But I mean, like, this one wouldn't go really. So yeah. Alexa, pick a random number between 1 and 3.
Your random number between 1 and 3 is 1.
Okay. If you put like too many of these, it gives you like a really flaky effect. So here is the slime that I have. Where did the spoon thingy go? Okay. Should I add a scent? I could. Another round. So we have this one, which these are all kind of double, so that's great. But 1, 2. Wait, 1, 3, 2. Got them from a soap shop thing. Alexa, pick a random number between 1 and 3.
Your random number between 1 and 3 is 1.
I kind of wanted the last one. Okay. There we go. Okay, these are kind of hard to open. Okay. I mean, like, it's not the best smelling, but it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. Anyway, let's mix. So, mixing time. Feels weird mixing it. Okay, it's weird mixing it because there's not a lot of like glue in there. Just kind of, Oh wow, that looks kind of cool so far. I'm like turning it. Okay. And I was thinking ahead, so now I have the baking soda. Okay. Kind of has like a, what is it called? Coral, kind of. It's kind of that color. And then I have a new activator, so I might want to open it. Okay. Satisfying ASMR moments. Okay. It's coming. You guys just see the back. Okay. I just added in a lot. Okay, well it's really sticky. And I put my hand in it. Why did I put my hand in it? I don't know. Okay. So, anyway, the slime results you'll see in 3, 2, and a back. And this is the slime. And it's really nice. And it has like kind of like a little like, it has a really nice texture. I really like it. It's really stretchy. And it has that nice feeling. But it's pretty tiny. It has foam balls in it, colored foam balls, and also white. It was with a clear glue, so maybe if it clears, but no, because I put lotion in it. It has sparkly skirt. That's because of the gold glitter. I also have gold glitter in it, like these like little flakes, because they're kind of all over my table. And I like this line. I'm just gonna, So, if you like this video, please smash that subscribe button, because why wouldn't you? Like, why? Not the dislike button, the like button. Now it's a little bit sticky. Oh. And, just like, subscribe. Why not? Tell me why not. And like this video, and remember, if we pass to 75 subscribers, I will do a video with my mom. And she doesn't do videos like on this channel a lot. So if you want to see that, smash that like button and subscribe. Don't unsubscribe. No. Subscribe. So, bye.